Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Layeredge Airdrop eligibility checker is live. You can now check your airdrop depending on any wallet you used. So you're going to check it on their website, which is airdrop.layeredge.foundation. So this is the website. I'm also going to attach it in the video description, or you click on the blog link, which is blog.layeredge.foundation/. So I'm going to drop the both websites on the description. So do well to click on the link and check your status. Right now, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification. Also join our Telegram channel for first-hand information. So for us to check the eligibility, we're going to click on the link. So you're going to open it on Chrome, whichever browser. So here is the website. The first thing is to connect your wallet. You must connect the same wallet you connected before. If you use different wallet, you're not going to see your allocation. So you connect your wallet, then you check the eligibility, then you click on claim token. Then the fourth one is to log and earn. So right now we are going to connect our wallet, and to connect our wallet, you tap on this arrow. So here we are going to connect our wallet. If you use MetaMask, to click on MetaMask. If you use Trust Wallet, I'm going to click on Wallet Connect. I used Trust Wallet, so I'm going to connect to my Trust Wallet. Now tap on Trust Wallet. So I'm going to click on Trust Wallet. So it has redirected us here. Okay, right now it is not connecting. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to copy the website link, then we'll come back here and paste it. So we are going to click on the discovery to paste the link we copied. Just copy the link, discovery. So we are going to paste the link. This is the website link, airdrop checker. I'm going to click here to paste it. So once you click, you search it. Airdrop.layeredge.foundation. This is the website. We are now on the Trust Wallet for easy access. So we are going to click on Connect Wallet. We have done that before. Click on Connect Wallet. Then you're going to click on. So right now I'm going to click on Connect. You need to connect your wallet. Okay, allow it to load. Just give it time. No asset found. Then you click on Next. Okay, you can see you are eligible. Initial allocation is 25.41 Edgen, and the adjusted allocation is 28. So this is my allocation, very poor. Then you click on Next. So right now this is the claim option. Claim on centralized. You need to claim on centralized. Claim on chain begin on June 2nd. So you need to do this before June 2nd. Claiming on chain unlock eligibility can earn up to 50% promotional APY by staking Edgen. So you don't want to go through this stress. So what you're going to do is to click on this claim on sales. Tap on it. So these are the exchanges that you can claim your token to. The first exchange is, please select an exchange to click. The first exchange is KuCoin. The second one is Gate.io. The third one is HashKey Global and HTS. So I'm going to click on Gate.io. I'm going to put your Gate.io deposit address. So I've already copied my Gate.io deposit address. I'm going to paste it here. You know how to copy your deposit address. Just go to your Gate.io, click on deposit, click on on-chain deposit, then you search for Edgen. Once you search for Edgen, you copy the deposit address. Now you are going to put your Gate.io UID. So let me put my Gate.io UID. So 19 18 73, 1990 1873, 1990 1873. Then you click on claim now. They say please read these airdrop terms carefully. So you need to read it carefully. Then you click on accept. You need to accept the terms and conditions. Just tap on accept. After putting your deposit address and the UID, you will get a confirmation message. Thanks for submitting your UID and deposit address. Please note this is just the registration phase. No tokens has been distributed yet. Your airdrop will be automatically sent to your selected exchange account once the token is officially listed. So you click on confirm here. So once you click on confirm, that is the end of it. Your token will be sent to your address. So I believe you have got value from this video. Please do well. Okay, saying an error occur when attempting to switch chain. So do you keep on trying until you get it. So thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.